Ready to resurrect your legacy accounting? Today we're diving into a step-by-step guide on installing Peachtree Accounting Software 2009, tackling compatibility quirks and system requirements to get this classic software up and running smoothly. First things first, Compatibility Peachtree 2009 was designed for older operating systems like Windows XP, Vista, and perhaps early Windows 7. Check your system specs against the minimum requirements. CPU speed, RAM, and hard drive space are key. We're talking Pentium processors and relatively small storage needs by today's standards. If you're using a newer OS, compatibility mode may be your friend. Pop in your Peachtree 2009 installation disk, remember those, or locate your downloaded setup file. Autoplay should kick in. If not, browse the disk contents in File Explorer and run the setupx file. The installation wizard will guide you. Typically, you'll be prompted to close other applications. Always a good idea. Click Next to proceed through the welcome screen. Accept the license agreement after giving it a read, of course, and click Next. You'll then be asked for your customer information, including your serial number. Find this on your disk case or within your software purchase documentation. Type it carefully. Choose the installation type. Typical is generally fine for most users. Custom allows you to pick specific components and the installation directory if you have specific needs, preferences. The installation will now begin. Just let it run its course. Once complete, you'll get a confirmation screen. Check the box to launch Peachtree 2009 and click Finish. You may want to create a desktop shortcut to make Peachtree easier to access. Explore the software and start managing your business. You've successfully installed Peachtree Accounting 2009.